Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change language in Crunchyroll application. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Crunchyroll application. It could be the web application or the mobile application, whichever one. The features are the same, they all apply. So once you launch it from your mobile phone, just go ahead and head over to the account settings. Just go ahead and click on your profile. From your mobile phone or with the web application, just go ahead and click on your profile. And once you click on that profile, you're going to see this extended menu that says switch profile, settings, watch list, country list, history, notification, gift card, and logout. Now go ahead and click on settings. Now once you click on settings, it's going to take you right here. You have at the left corner, you have the membership info, preferences, you have email notification, activate device, all the way down to a lot. And just set it to preferences from your mobile application, right? Set it to preferences, and preferences for my commander, that's my name. You see the first thing that displays here is display language, which is set to English United States, and audio language is also set to English, subtitle and city language is also set to English. So we can definitely change all of these things depending on the country that you're in or depending on the language that you want. So click on this drop down menu and it's going to display a wide array of languages. Now you have this first one, which I don't know what exactly it is. You have Dutch, you have English US, Espanol, it's all of this. Italiano, Portuguese, Brazil, Portuguese, Portugal. And you have it down to this. So from this one here, it looks like Chinese, down to this other one that also looks like Chinese. So you can definitely choose any of these options because these are the options, these are the language options that are available in Crunchyroll. So select any of the options, and once you select any of the options, you'll see that your homepage will be changed using the exact language that you have switched it to. So once you click on audio language, go ahead and select the drop down menu 2 and choose language from here. As you can see, you even have more options. You have more options here, so you can just choose the language. So whenever you play a video, what you're going to hear as an audio is in the language that you selected. Also subtitles, when you're watching an anime and you want to get subtitles for it, you can go ahead and change the language from here as well. So you have more language options here, more language options. So go ahead and set it, and once you set it, you see that your entire website or your entire mobile application is going to be changed using your preferred language. Okay, so that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.